Hello and welcome to YJ Contact Us video tutorial. For this tutorial we have installed a default Joomla installation to show you all the features of this extension. Once you have purchased the extension, please simply go to your Joomla administrator, extensions, install, uninstall, and browse to YJ Contact Us installation file. After successful installation, you will see installation welcome screen. We simply go to components, YJ contact us, and first we're going to create a few departments for our next contact us form. YJ contact us administration is split in 5 areas, which is departments, forms, default settings, CSS manager, and language manager. First we'll create a department. Click on new, add department name, and short department description. You can also use images. As you can see, this is a default Joomla editor, and then type in a short department message. You're going to decide if this department is going to allow a file upload, yes or no. If department status is enabled or disabled. For example, you had a department that was working for over a couple of months, and all of a sudden you are overwhelmed with emails and contacts, so you decided to shut down the department for a little while. You're simply gonna set this department as disabled. Department is published, yes, automatically, and then you type your send to email address, and then you click on save. And there it is. Your first department is published and available for your next form. Okay, and now we are going to create our first form. So you click on forms, click on new, form name, contact us, and then you're gonna choose a department and assign it to this form. Now here you're gonna assign this department to your existing Joomla menus. As you can see here in the front, we have this as the main menu, resources, key concepts. So we can decide in our extension backend where this menu item is going to be published. So we are going to assign it to main menu, which is right there, and we're going to give it the name. Now this form has also further settings where you can activate the captcha verification and if the form is published or not. So we're going to leave this on and yes, and click on save. So this form is already published and added to the menu. So simply go in the front end, reload the page, and there is your menu. Contact us, first contact us form. Okay, so let's test the sending. Name, email, subject, message. So let's upload something. There we go. Upload successful. Calculate the captcha, or you can refresh it if you don't know what the result is. Try it again and send your message. There you go. Thank you. Your message was sent. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for response. Let's see how that email actually looks like. And here is the file that we sent. Oh, set. Okay, so let's take a look at further extension settings. So default settings. Here you will assign your default file upload folder. As you can see, this is a file that we have sent by email. You can create a new folder and assign the same new folder as a default upload. This is good for security. Not everybody should know that your files are actually residing in YJ Contactless folder. CSS Manager, you can see the extension is completely CSS driven, so you can change all appearances of it to adapt it to your website. Language Manager, Administrative Backend, and Extension Frontend. Now this here are the powers that you can use when uninstalling the extension. For example, we release a new update, you have lots of forms, and you don't want to lose them. So here is settings for that. Remove database table on uninstall, or remove menu items on uninstall. You're either going to set it to yes or no. It's your preference. Okay. So let's create another department, and then we're going to create a multi-form where your users can select multiple departments. Okay, so click on new and give this department name, for example, sales, sales description, and then we can also add an image there, and left. There we go. So the beauty of it here is, example, you have several departments at your company, and you want each of them to receive separate customer contacts. So let's say one customer is for contact you for sales, another one has a complaint, abuse. So here you will assign a different email address. So this email is going to be sales at yourdomain.com, and this way everything is being separate. So just hit on save. Now we're going to create a new form, and this is going to be multi-form, and we're going to choose both departments. Okay, we're going to activate the captcha, published, yes, and of course message says please choose a menu assignment, main menu. It saves. Now let's go back to department sales and disable the upload. There you go. Customers are not supposed to upload anything in there. Hit on save. Okay, and let's reload our page. And here's our multi-form, which tells us right away, select the department, contact us, and here is the sales department with the description that we entered, and disabled upload. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and you can see that this extension is very easy to use and manage. We have created several more demos on our demo website for you to see, example, multiple forms, disabled departments, single departments, just to show you how flexible this extension is. So thank you again for listening, and we hope you're going to become our customer very soon.